What's up guys, now I'm going to do a pack opening today. I've got a tin of Pokemon and 2 packs of Pokemon. Let's get into the first pack now. See what we've got. Oh my god, we have the best card ever. Got him, 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 him. I'll save the best one to last. Him, him, him. I just got the card there. Now the best card that we got. He is amazing. I am so overwhelmed. I'm so speechless. That is so good. Move on to the second pack. Let's have a look at what we've got. We've alright cards. We've him, 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 and we've just got the code. Put them over. Let's move on to the tin. As usual, we get an EX. I'll put it over there. Let's take out the plastic bit. Now we've got the code again, and we have some. Now we have 4 packets. Now let's start opening these. Let's have a look at them. Some alright cards. Got him. 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 And just a code. Next pack. Let's have a look at these cards. Some alright cards. Got him. 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 Just a code. Next packet. Let's have a look at them. Alright, got him. 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 The code. Last pack of the day. So look. I've only just got into Pokemon. I started it last Saturday and I've got quite a few cards. And then the code. As I said, we got two EXs today. Of course, we get one in the tin. That's a good card. And we got a Mega EX. And that was so good. Thanks for watching. Bye.